In the previous video, we learned custom filter on numeric data. Now we will learn custom filter on dates. Suppose you have a worksheet where policies of your customers are stored. You want to see the policies which are started after 31st March 2020, means any specific date. This can be any date of your requirement. Let's see how to do this. Click the drop down of policy date, select date filter, select after, type 31st March 2020, click OK. These are the policies which are started on 31st March 2020. Like this, you can type any date which you want to check. What are the policies which are started on that or after that particular date. Consider the same database. You want to see the policies which are started in the date range 1st April 2015 and 31st March 2022. In Excel, dates are also considered as numbers. So we will use the same method which we have used for numeric data. Click the drop down of policy date, select date filter, select between, type 1st April 2015 in the first text area. In the second text area, type 31st March 2022. Click OK. These are the policies which are started on in that range. So this way you can type any two dates in the lower limit and higher limit of your date range and get the result. You want to see the policies which are maturing this month. Let's see how to do this. Click Maturity Date drop down. Select Date Filters. You will find many criteria like this year, this month, next month, etc. Select this month. Current month is April, so these are the policies maturing in this month. Suppose you want to see policies which are going to mature today. So what to do? Click the drop down of maturity date. Select date filters. Select today. Today's date is 17th April 2025. So these are the policies which will mature today. Like today, we have many other criteria like yesterday, tomorrow, this month, next year, this year, previous year. You can use them as per your need. In this video, we have learned custom filter on after a specific date, dates in a range, this month, today. Share this video and spread the knowledge.